Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my Halloween ribbons for my Halloween stash series. I have more ribbons than this. This is all I basically could fit on my desk and what I plan on using this year. I have gone to Michael's, which is where I usually get my Halloween ribbon, but I didn't really see anything that was like, oh, I need to have this. Maybe if the ribbon goes on sale, I might pick up extra ones that I really like. I love Halloween Grow Green ribbon. I just think it's like my favorite kind. So let's just go ahead and get started. So some of this is from Dollar Tree, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. So I have everything in my little witch's cauldron. Super cute. So first, some of these, I should keep pins on them, but I'm a little nervous because my kids, you know. So I have a black Grow Green ribbon. So from Hobby Lobby, I have this Grow Green ribbon with silver spider webs. I have this Celebrate It Grow Green ribbon with black polka dots. Really, really cute. This is from Dollar Tree. I think I was gifted this. I've never actually tried their ribbon, so if you have, let me know in the comments down below if you like it. So I have this orange ribbon. I have more of, I told you I love my Grow Green ribbon. So I have some twine in here. I don't know how that snuck in here, but this is from Hobby Lobby. From Celebrated, I have this satin white ribbon with black spiders on it. From Hobby Lobby, I have this white ribbon with orange pumpkins. All these little ones are from Hobby Lobby. So I have this orange one with black bats. And then I have this orange one that says Trick or Treat. I like the more simple ones because they tend to go with everything. I love this. It's from the Ribbon Boutique, and this is at Hobby Lobby. And I love how thin this is. I have it in purple too. This is like one of my favorites again from Michael's. This is the Grow Green ribbon with candy corn on it from Celebrate It. I have like a couple of those. This one is satin with a skull and crossbones, again from Michael's. I have this black sequin trim from Hobby Lobby. So it doesn't have to be like straight Halloween. I have Halloween colors too. So this is Grow Green ribbon from Hobby Lobby in purple. This is again that really pretty ribbon from the Ribbon Boutique in purple. I have another Grow Green ribbon with the orange and the black polka dot. I don't remember where I got this. I want to say Michael's, but this is like my favorite. I don't have any more. And then this is my second favorite. I'm going to stop saying Grow Green because this is like all my ribbon is basically. So yeah, you can see it right there. And it's got little skulls and crossbone. And I just love the skull on this. Like, it's so cute. So I have that. I have this black and white stripe ribbon from the Ribbon Boutique at Hobby Lobby. Again, this is from Hobby Lobby and it's just orange glitter. Again, I have more of these little skull ribbons. This is from Hobby Lobby as well. And I love Hobby Lobby ribbon. I just think it's so cute. So here is this like satin with some candy corn. This I ordered on Etsy, and I don't remember because it was like a couple years ago where what shop I got it from. But this is Haunted Mansion ribbon. I love it. I had done some Haunted Mansion kits. If you guys haven't seen that video, because it's been like a couple years or so, like, and you're new to my channel, I'll link it down below. I created Haunted Mansion Happy Meal, or I forgot, I think it was a flip book kit, or I don't remember. And I put this ribbon in there. So I still have some I'm keeping. I love these colors. This is from Celebrated, and it's orange, green, black, and purple. I love these colors. I call them my Hocus Pocus colors because I just feel like that's what Hocus Pocus colors are. See, look. So this is another one from Hobby Lobby, and this is little witch hats on a green satin ribbon. And then the last one I have in here is just some purple twine from American Crafts. Now I'm going to be sharing with you my Halloween twine. So the only reason why I have a ton of this is because my Crafty BFF Amador picked me up a bunch of Halloween twine from Target when it was on clearance, and he gave me like a big bag of it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, thank you. That's why you'll see this clearance sticker on it, but this is a bunch of like orange jute twine that I have. So I have the orange and white. Thank you, Amador. He even got me the orange and black, and they come on these wooden spools. And then I also have black and white. So, and then, yeah, and then this is some twine that I've already had in my stash. This is not the jute twine, this is just regular baker's twine. I just have orange and black twine from Target. When they come on those wooden spools, they're from Target. These I believe I got from Hobby Lobby, and they came in orange and white, black and white, and then I love this orange, black and white one. This is like my favorite twine like ever. Because I love candy corn, and this is candy corn twine from Lawn Fawn. I love it. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to me and you want to be, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload videos, just go ahead and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.